Beneath the scorching desert sun, a rapidly expanding city reached its breaking point, choked by a relentless sea of steel and asphalt.
Saudi Arabia needed a permanent solution to move millions, shifting from a car-dependent past to an ambitious future.
The answer was the King Abdulaziz Public Transport Project, a staggering $27 billion transit revolution. This wasn't just another subway. It was the largest single-phase urban rail project ever attempted in human history.
6 lines, 85 stations, and over 176 kilometers of track, all built simultaneously.
To conquer the earth beneath Riyadh, 3 global heavyweight engineering consortia were mobilized for the massive undertaking. Led by industry giants like Bechtel, FCC, and Salini Impregilo, the excavation phase tore into the city's dense core.
Plunging up to 35 meters below the surface, the deep excavations required unprecedented logistical precision. Millions of tons of rock and sand had to be carefully extracted without disturbing the existing foundations of the metropolis above.
The true heroes of the underground were the colossal tunnel boring machines, mechanical leviathans engineered to devour bedrock. Lowering these mammoth machines into the earth required pinpoint accuracy and the largest cranes available on the planet. Once activated, the boring machines chewed through the earth relentlessly, navigating around delicate utility lines and water mains.
Carving out over 6 kilometers of underground routes, the machines left behind a flawless trail of engineered precision.
Behind the cutter head, automated systems instantly installed curved concrete segments, sealing the tunnel in a continuous, protective shell.
An intricate network of conveyor belts operated around the clock, continuously flushing excavated earth back to the surface. Above ground, engineers fought a relentless battle against extreme desert heat that threatened to ruin exposed materials. Specialized concrete blends were developed to prevent premature drying, poured under the strictest climate controls. For the elevated sections, massive deep piling works anchored colossal concrete support pillars firmly into the bedrock. Enormous bridge launchers, operating high above the traffic, seamlessly connected the viaduct segments piece by piece.
Post-tensioning steel cables locked the elevated tracks together, ensuring they could bear the weight of constant, heavy transit.
Slowly, a new elevated skyline emerged, a ribbon of concrete and steel weaving through the heart of the capital.
Simultaneously, massive depots were constructed to house, maintain, and power the upcoming fleet of advanced trains.
Over 170 kilometers of continuous welded steel track were laid with absolute mathematical perfection. An electrified third rail system was installed, designed to deliver high-voltage power directly to the massive fleet. The transit hubs were not just functional. They were designed as architectural masterpieces by world-renowned visionaries.
The KAFD station's sweeping, fluid geometric lines required highly complex steel fabrication and millimeter-perfect assembly. Thousands of custom-engineered glass panels were installed to insulate the hubs from the unforgiving desert temperatures.
The STC station at the intersection of Olea Street emerged as a colossal transport monolith, spanning nearly 100,000 square meters.
Beneath the surface, sprawling concourses were carved out, designed to seamlessly handle millions of transitioning passengers.
The lifeblood of the autonomous network was miles of intricate fiber optics and heavy-duty power cables.
At the National Museum station, an intricate double-layered facade was erected, paying architectural homage to the kingdom's rugged mountains. To combat extreme heat, industrial-grade climate control systems were integrated, utilizing recycled water to maximize energy efficiency.
Sustainability was paramount. Expansive solar arrays were installed to offset the massive power demands of the network's lighting and cooling. As the infrastructure neared completion, the highly anticipated rolling stock began arriving at Saudi ports from across the globe.
For maximum safety in a driverless system, reinforced glass platform screen doors were installed at every single departure point. Siemens delivered the state-of-the-art Inspiro trainsets for the blue and red lines, engineered specifically for extreme desert environments.
Every train was retrofitted with heavy-duty sand prevention seals and upgraded industrial air conditioning units.
Inside, the cabins were divided into specialized zones, utilizing smart glass partitions to maintain privacy and cultural comfort.
Alstom provided the sleek Metropolis train sets, heavily customized to endure the punishing thermal loads of the Arabian Peninsula.
But the most revolutionary feature was what was missing. There were no drivers, no steering controls, and no conductors.
Operations were entirely handed over to a computerized central control system, utilizing grade of automation level 4.
A flawless, redundant network of sensors and communication relays ensured millimeter-precise tracking of every vehicle.
With the hardware in place, the exhaustive, high-stakes testing phase began in the dark, empty tunnels beneath the city.
Driverless trains were pushed to their limits, running continuous high-speed trials to calibrate the braking and signaling systems. Every safety protocol, from emergency braking to automated door synchronization, underwent thousands of rigorous stress tests.
Engineers had to ensure flawless communication between lines, preventing any possibility of a digital collision.
The stations stood silent and ready, their colossal architecture waiting to fulfill their purpose.
Decades of car-centric culture were about to be challenged by the efficiency of world-class, automated transit.
As the 2024 inauguration approached, the architectural landmarks transformed into glowing beacons of the Vision 2030 initiative.
And then, the system woke up. A $27 billion dream of seamless, driverless motion finally realized.
The sheer scale of the achievement was recognized globally, setting a Guinness World Record for the longest fully automated network.
A multi-billion-dollar investment had finally transformed the foundation of the Saudi capital forever.
From the deep underground caverns to the towering viaducts, the Riyadh Metro stands as a monument to modern engineering. It is an enduring legacy, moving the kingdom into a new era of sustainable, forward-looking urban mobility.
A silent, automated giant, resting only to carry the future of Riyadh.
The subterranean arteries of a city reborn. Built to withstand the test of time and the harshest elements of the Arabian desert. Ready to process millions, easing the heavy burden of the streets above. Connecting education, commerce, and culture with an unbreakable spine of steel. Conquering the heat through relentless innovation and uncompromising design.
Bridging the gap between the people and the future of transit.
Precision in every movement. Flawless execution without a single human driver.
Where structural engineering meets the absolute pinnacle of modern architectural art. Integrating green spaces into a concrete metropolis to breathe life back into the city center. A vast network, color-coded and meticulously organized for maximum efficiency. A complex three-dimensional puzzle solved through billion-dollar international collaboration. Harnessing the power of momentum, returning energy to the grid with every single stop. Monitored constantly by thousands of advanced sensors and security systems. A living, breathing digital organism managed from a single centralized brain. A living, breathing digital organism managed from a single centralized brain. Designed to encourage the shift, providing the infrastructure needed to leave the car behind. Built for everyone, ensuring accessibility remains at the forefront of the transit revolution.
Breathing systems designed to cycle millions of cubic liters of fresh air deep underground.
Unstoppable. Engineered to operate perfectly, even when the desert unleashes its fury. The Orange Line Fleet, a masterclass in aerodynamic efficiency and environmental resistance.
emerging from the depths to witness a city transforming before the world's eyes. Even the structural supports carry the aesthetic signature of the kingdom's cultural heritage. A fully digitized, contactless network, ready to process millions of transactions a second. Even the maintenance relies on cutting-edge robotics to ensure absolute reliability. Harnessing the relentless desert sun to illuminate the massive underground cathedrals of transit. Silent motion. Automated lubrication systems eliminate noise pollution in the dense urban core, pushing the boundaries of the city outward, laying the foundation for future mega expansions. Safety systems engineered to the absolute highest global standards, ensuring zero room for error. A masterpiece of logistical geometry, connecting a fractured city into a cohesive whole. Trusting the machine. A leap of faith into a fully autonomous future. Massive redundancies guarantee that the system will never stop, regardless of external power failures.
Guiding the way through the subterranean darkness with high-efficiency illumination. Guiding the way through the subterranean darkness with high-efficiency illumination. Protected against any subterranean water ingress, securing the billion-dollar infrastructure. Drawing massive amounts of power directly from the scorching sun above. Designed with profound respect for the cultural fabric of the Saudi capital. German engineering meeting the uncompromising demands of the Arabian climate. A new subterranean economy, ready to generate massive commercial revenue. Automated maintenance protocols keep the veins of the city flowing without human intervention. A vertical triumph, connecting the deep earth to the soaring skyline. Grounding the high-tech network in the historical roots of the city's ancient center. Laying the critical groundwork for hosting the world's largest sporting and cultural events. Constant, microscopic vigilance, ensuring a flawless, uninterrupted ride. Untangling the gridlock. A permanent bypass over the chaos of the streets. Engineered to absorb the immense kinetic energy of a fully loaded, high-speed automated train. Engineered to absorb the immense kinetic energy of a fully loaded, high-speed automated train. A ride so smooth, the sheer speed is masked by flawless mechanical stabilization. Pristine environments maintained by a silent army of automated custodians. A closed-loop energy system pushing the boundaries of green infrastructure in the Middle East. Welcoming a new era of connectivity for millions of future commuters. Safety mechanisms engineered for the extreme, yet designed to never be needed. A ballet of heavy steel, choreographed by flawless digital algorithms. The light at the end of a decade-long engineering tunnel. Erasing the concept of traffic delays from the daily vocabulary of the city. Silent infrastructure. Heavy dampening ensures the city sleep while the network runs. A multi-billion-dollar machine that never sleeps, operating flawlessly around the clock. Turning the kingdom's harshest element into the very power that drives its future. A city redefined.
The skyline permanently altered by the ambition of Vision 2030. The gates to a new, hyper-connected metropolis are finally open. Miles of subterranean arteries now ready to pump the lifeblood of the capital. The culmination of global engineering prowess, right here in the heart of the desert. An immovable monument to progress, standing defiant against the harsh desert. Every detail polished, every system tested, every variable accounted for. Connecting the world to the kingdom with unprecedented speed and efficiency. The age of the driver is over. The era of the autonomous network has begun. $27 billion, 176 kilometers, a single, unified vision.
The Riyadh Metro, the largest, longest, and most advanced single-phase transit project in the history of the world.